TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this August the 10th, and really interesting because what we saw Friday was a break above this. Remember, let me just move this away for a second. We had a break above this declining Chapman wave inside track repellent zone, broke sharply above it early last week, and then extended. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big green candles. The day's young. Anything can happen. But 6 green candles. And what did we use? We used this pattern that I've been talking about, and I had a webinar on based on the rectangle formation, how you can climb towards the left side high, 27,580, the high of the 8th of June. Today, so far, the high is 27,729, where we're at right now. This is really good because in the rectangle formation of the weekly chart, it is leg D, but you have at least gone above that level of 27,580 with really good technicals. I think that whole webinar that I had saying that there could be a rotational aspect to it, that the NDX 100 starting to get really toppy. If you look at the QQQ, look at the QQQ pull back from the 274.98 high of 3 days ago. Let me just double check. 278. Yep, 274.98. And it's not failing. It's just not. It's struggling. It's finally saying, "Hey, I need a little bit of a breather after this spectacular move." And look at the weekly chart. Went to the Chapman wave inside track repellent zone. We'll see how it goes sideways or pulls back. What happens here is going to be really important. And the S&P at this moment, the S&P is up, but it's really Boeing that's helping the Dow. And that's what I said. I think that the mix in the Dow right now is kind of more favorable to the Dow 30, not the Dow. It isn't the Dow Industrials. It's the Dow 30, and that's really what we're looking at, although I must call Boeing one of the few industrials within it. Caterpillar is another one. So this is a really strong action. In the S&P, it's up only 4.40 at 33.55, but it has made a new recovery high, and 33.93.52 was the all-time high. Will it get there this week? I think there's a chance it's going to try to test it. Look at the IWM. The IWM, oops, where did that go? The IWM at this particular moment is right here. Very big move again, up 1.47%, up 2.30 at 158.49, and it's still a leg D. This is really good action, and that's part of that rotation we've been talking about, that there should be a rotation from the tech sector to these. And let's see what's happening in gold. Gold right now is up 16 at 2,044, but it is starting to show the same kind of wear and tear that the Qs have. Just needs a little breather. What a spectacular move. I'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll talk about it in my Tiger Technicians Hour.